I'm about to blow your mind in this video because Google just released a new AI tool that is about to make people rich. Not a lot of people know about this AI tool, and even less people know about the secret method I'm about to show you that can put thousands of dollars in your pocket. So buckle up and hang on, because this is about to get spicy. The new AI tool is called Google NotebookLM, and it's completely free to use. And even the people who do know about this AI tool don't know the method that I'm about to share with you that leverages Google in order to rake in some serious dough. I'm gonna walk you through this secret method in this video step by step. To start, all you have to do is come to NotebookLM.Google. It's gonna take you to a page that looks just like this, and simply click on Try NotebookLM. It's gonna take you to a page that looks just like this, and all you have to do is click this Create New button. That's gonna bring up a box that looks just like this, and this is where we're going to upload our sources or tell NotebookLM what we want to use in order to create our podcast. So right here, you can see Google Drive. You can use Google Docs, Google Slides. You can use a link from a website or even a YouTube video, or you can simply paste text. Now, what we're gonna be doing in this video is leveraging a website. Now, in order for this method to work, you're going to need a WordPress website. And what I recommend for this is Hostinger. Hostinger is an awesome platform for beginners, and it also has the AI tools that we're gonna need for this method to work. So in order for this to work, what I recommend and what you'll need is the business plan. And the reason is because it has a couple of different features that we're gonna need for this method to work. So if I scroll down here, what you're gonna see is that it has the free Amazon affiliate WordPress plugin, which is a super powerful tool I'll share with you later. And then this is really what we need for this to work as well, which is the WordPress AI tools. So I'm gonna scroll back up the page here, and I'm gonna choose the business plan. Now, the way Hostinger's pricing works is the longer that you commit to, the better price that you're gonna get. And you can choose whatever length you want here. The only thing I recommend is to not choose 1 month, because if you choose 1 month, you don't get a free domain, and you're gonna be paying the most amount of money per month. Also, they're gonna tack on a $4.99 setup fee. But if you choose 12 months, you get the free domain, it brings down the price significantly, and it's just a way better deal. Now, the longer you go, the better price you're gonna get. So if I go to 48 months, which would be 4 years, I get a free domain and I get 3 free months. And at checkout, no matter what you choose, be sure to use my promo code FREEDOMPROMO and hit apply there. And when you do that, you're going to get an additional 10% off. I'll leave my link for Hostinger in the description of this video so you can follow along with the rest of this tutorial. Now, Hostinger is going to walk you through building your website. Be sure to choose the WordPress option when you're building your website out. And you're going to end up coming to this page right here in the setup process. What you want to do is choose an affiliate marketing site and then click next. They're going to give you a preview of what your website would look like. This is fine. You simply click on next. And then right here, this is really important. You want to search plugins, something called Seriously Simple. And what you're going to do is see this option right here for the Seriously Simple Podcasting. You want to check that and continue. Click next. Then you can choose your domain for your website. However, this is optional and you can set this up later. Then it's going to start building your website. Now, once you're logged in to your WordPress website, you're going to see at the top, it says this Amazon affiliate tab. What you want to do is click on that. And then right here, you're going to see the API status. Mine is connected. And what you're going to want to do is follow the process of connecting this plugin to your Amazon affiliate site. Then on the left-hand side, you're going to see right here something called podcasting. This is the plugin that we chose to install earlier in this video. What you'll want to do is actually set up your podcast. I won't bore you with the details of that. It's simply step by step. But what I will show you in setting up your podcast is that if you want to get some podcast art, simply come over to Canva, and at the top, you type in podcast. And what that's going to do is spit out a bunch of different templates that you can use for free. The only ones that are not free are the ones with the crown. But if you have a pro version of Canva, you can use the ones with the crown. And in my example, I chose this one right here and I just named it Health Hack Unleashed. Jumping back over to our website, you're going to want to go to podcasting and then select add new episode. And this is where this is really going to start getting fun. So we need to come up with a title for our podcast. In order to do that, I'm going to jump over to ChatGPT. I'm going to create a podcast about Camu. So I said, give me an SEO article title about Camu benefits. And I'm going to click run. So here's what ChatGPT gave me. It says 10 incredible Camu benefits for your health and wellness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to jump back over here and I'm simply going to paste this. Now, because we chose Hostinger's business plan, we have some access to awesome AI tools. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on add block and I'm going to choose the AI content creator. Now what you see here is a way that we can create content with artificial intelligence. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy my title. I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to change my content to friendly tone of voice. And then I'm going to make this long. And the reason that I want this long is for search engine optimization. Then all we have to do is click on create content. Now we have a beautifully written post about Camu. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to simply click on use this content. Now we have an awesome post that we can use with our podcast for SEO. I'm going to come up to the top and I'm actually going to click publish and click publish again. And we're going to publish this to the internet. Come down to the bottom and click on view episode. Now we have a live article that we can use to feed into NotebookLM. So you simply come to the top bar, copy the URL to this post, and then we're going to jump back into NotebookLM. And this is where we're going to choose website. Take that URL and paste it in here and click insert. Now you're going to see a box that looks just like this. And all you want to do is come down here and click on generate. Once it's done, you're going to have something that looks just like this. And this actually created a 17-minute podcast and it sounds something like this.
Hey everyone, and welcome to our deep dive all about Camu.
Camu.
You know this little Amazonian berry?
Yeah.
It's really...
It is pretty amazing.
And it's interesting how it aligns with those traditional uses of Camu by indigenous communities.
Not bad, right? Now it's time to monetize this and make some money. So what you want to do is go to the three dots right here and we want to download this to our computer. Then we're going to jump back over to our article and I'm going to click on edit episode. You want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the episode file and you want to upload that file that you just downloaded. Click on upload files and then select the file from your computer. Then you want to come down to episode image and we're going to upload the image that we created in Canva. And for this case, I'm choosing this one right here. Now, if this video hasn't been juicy enough for you, which if you think it has been or you got any value, be sure to hit that thumbs up down below. I truly appreciate it. We're about to monetize this because Hostinger has this secret plugin that makes this absolutely beautiful and easy to put affiliate links on our articles. So check this out. What you want to do is scroll down in your article and find a good spot where you want to input your affiliate link. So right here, I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to click on add block and then I'm going to choose Amazon products. From here, what we can do is select how we want these to go in. Right now, I'm going to choose multiple product lists. Then it comes up and looks just like this. And we want to click on search for product on Amazon. We'll click that again. And all I have to do is type in here, Camu. I'm going to hit enter. And now we see a bunch of different products from Amazon, which is going to use our affiliate link automatically so we can start making money. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just choose like the top, let's say the top 6 here. And I'm going to click on confirm selection. And then we choose how we want it to actually look. For this, I'm going to choose the list with description and click on add products. Now we get this beautiful list of Amazon products that have our affiliate links built in. And what you can do is come over here and adjust this a little bit. So I'm going to click on list and I'm going to take away the best seller. So now it doesn't have best seller. They're not numbered and it looks beautiful just like this. So what I want to do is I'm going to click on save at the top. Then I'm going to come down to the left. I'm going to click on view episode. And now you can see we have our podcast episode on the top, which is going to allow people to stay on our page even longer. And if I come down here and keep scrolling. Now you're going to see all of my Amazon affiliate links embedded into this article where we can make money. Okay, so if you want to be, you can be done. That's it. That was the video. However, I do recommend driving more traffic to your articles. And there's a couple of ways quickly that I can recommend doing that. One being YouTube videos. Now you can take the audio from this, go into Canva for free, and embed the videos and create little videos that you can put up on YouTube. And then instead of having your article, you can either link to your article or you can link straight to those affiliate links in the description of your videos. The other way to drive traffic is through Pinterest. You simply create little pins, super easy to do, and link to your article. Then when someone goes to the article, they can listen to the podcast, they can read the article, and then they're also going to be exposed to your affiliate links so you can make money. Thanks for watching this video. Go watch this video next. I appreciate you for hanging out with me. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. This is Nathan with Freedom Influencer, and of course, I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.